Hey, Andre Cianhosa here again, and today in this video I'm going to tell you guys how to finally stop undervaluing yourself so you can actually get paid what you're worth. Now, in a previous video, my last video, I was kind of talking to you guys about confidence, and I wanted to kind of lead more into that, right? Most of the time, again, when people come into my world and they want mentorship, they want coaching, they want my masterclass, the number one thing I feel like they're doing is undercharging. They're always undervaluing themselves. And there's a few reasons of why they're doing it. And the first one, I'm going to kind of pick up where I left off in my last video. It's that they don't have the confidence to actually charge what they're worth. You know, it's really funny. When you're a passionate cook, just like me, you're really confident about what you cook. You're really confident about your food, right? It goes deep. And maybe you've made a recipe or a dish for many, many years, and you're like, oh, I have such great confidence in this. This is everybody's favorite dish I make. And the confidence level you have is very high. But what's funny is when you transfer into the business side and you start charging or you start pricing out your services, as well as when you're going to present that to your client, you start to panic. You start to get anxious, right? You start to backtrack. You're like, oh man, I can't charge this. I can't charge that. That's too much. It's because you don't have confidence, not only in the systems in your business, but deep down inside, you don't have confidence in yourself because you're new to this. And I can completely, honestly, feel where you're coming from. I was the same exact way, okay, when I first started my personal chef business. Again, like I said in a previous video, I would charge, very minimal prices for my things, and I would honestly take business from anyone that was literally alive. If you had money to pay me and you wanted my services, I'd cook for you. And we talked about finding your passion so you can really build up the confidence, but the confidence goes just beyond, again, just the passion. It really has to drive into where you are in your business and feeling confident in how you're running your business and the systems that you're setting up in place. So that's one. Number two is a lot of times a reason why you're undervaluing yourself is because you're not even telling the clients of the value you provide. This is one of the biggest reasons why most of you always feel like you're going back and forth with the client based upon price and you're not getting paid what you're worth. Let me give you an example. I'm sure you're watching this video, and if you've tried at this personal chef thing before, you might have gotten an inquiry from a client, and the first thing they ask you is to give them a quote or to give them a price for your services. Now, I know that I'm telling you guys the truth, and I know that you know I'm telling you guys the truth, right? You probably had it many, many times, and the number one thing that you do is you reply back to them with a quote, with your pricing, and you give them a whole breakdown. I'm going to tell you that that's the kiss of death. That's the number one reason why they're not going to pay you what you're worth and why you're not getting what you actually want to get paid. Now, again, it's funny. I'm wearing this capitalist pig, crossed out capitalist chef shirt, right? And honestly, it's not all about the money, but I chose this shirt specifically for this video because I want you guys to understand that there's value on a monetary level and a dollar amount behind what you guys offer. And what's funny is if you don't show the client all the value first, and then you give them your price of your services, of course they're going to undervalue you because you're not telling them the value you're providing, right? Imagine if you went to the car dealership. Have you ever seen the stickers on the side of a new car? And it has all the features, right? It lists like V8, it has, air conditioning, it has whatever, right? Automated doors, it has this, it has that, leather interior, it has the DVD system, and it lists out all these different things, and at the end you see the price. Can you imagine if you saw that same, let's just say it's a pickup truck, you saw that same pickup truck with just the price on it, without all the features that it lists? You're going to say, why would anybody pay $50,000 for a truck? They're nuts. But see, if you see the whole picture and you see all the things that it comes equipped with, then the $50,000 makes sense to you. You start to actually put the value based upon what you see. So again, if a client reaches out to you, you have to show them the value of what you provide before you let them know what your pricing is and what you're charging. If you don't do that, you're not only undervaluing, you're giving yourself no value. You're not even putting a value based upon what you do, okay? So this is very important. So again, number one, you have to have confidence in your entire process and your entire business. Number two, you have to show the clients the value that you provide. Hey, I'm going to go to the grocery store. I'm going to shop for everything. I'm going to leave you to just relax and sit back. I don't want you to do any work. I'm going to come. I'm going to prepare everything. I'm going to clean everything up, right? I can use organic ingredients if you want me to. I'm going to serve this. I'm going to do this. I'm going to print out nice menus for you guys. I'm going to do, bring you guys a gift because it's your birthday, it's your anniversary, whatever. And when you position yourself to show them all the value, only then you can give them a quote or a price. And they're going to now associate the value that they're seeing with your price, and you're finally going to get paid what you're worth. Hey, if you like this video, make sure you download my free resource. It's the ultimate guide for starting a personal chef business. It's an ebook. It's a simple read. Honestly, it's a 1-page per chapter read. It's a great ebook for you to get started on becoming a personal chef. Hey, hope you guys like this video. We'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.